arguably the most well-known artist of the 20th century, American painter Andy Warhol produced some of the most well-known images of the era. His most productive years were in the 1960s and 1970s, when he worked in a series of large studios in Manhattan called The Factory. He made films, silkscreens, painting, and worked with a variety of artists, actors, and musicians. The themes running through his work were influenced by the rise of consumer culture and mass media, especially television, in post-war USA. The work Campbell Soup Cans, 1962, consists of 32 canvases measuring 14 by 20 inches and arranged in 4 rows of 8. In this work, Warhol displays, like a supermarket shelf, his recurring themes of mass production, uniformity, repetition, and consumerism. Repetition is also used in his mixed media work Triple Elvis, 1963. This large work of approximately 2 by 3 meters uses silkscreen on a silver painted canvas. Warhol reproduces the same image taken from a film still of singer Elvis Presley. Warhol was interested in Hollywood and stardom from an early age. The triptych, a triple panel format of painting most often associated with European religious art, has been repurposed to remind us of the religious devotion of fans for their favourite stars. From the 1970s until the end of his life, Warhol worked increasingly with portraits. Early portraits of movie stars like Marilyn Monroe were standardized into a set format of silkscreen on painted canvas measuring 36 by 36 inches or 91 by 91 centimeters. Wealthy clients from the jet set could commission a Warhol portrait. Warhol would photograph the sitter with a Polaroid camera before making the silkscreen. This model allowed Warhol to combine art with mass production and realize his goal of becoming a business artist or art businessman. In contrast to his commercial portraiture, his Death and Disaster series from the early 1960s aims to underscore the banality of even dreadful images once they are mass-produced through modern media. The use of large-scale silk-screened images confronts gallery viewers and forces them to move away from the image in order to bring it into focus. Although Warhol was trained as a painter and illustrator, he found the media of silkscreen, quick-drying acrylic paint in bright colours, instant photography and film to be the most appropriate for conveying his main themes of everyday suburban life and fame and fortune in late 20th century USA.
Repetition. Repetition.
Mass production. Mass production.
Consumerism. Consumerism.
Well-known images. Well-known images.
Consists of. Consists of.
Reproduces. Reproduces.
Triptych. Triptych.
Associated with. Associated with. Trained as. Trained as.